sure this fight means business. Never a dull fight when Mitchell Smith is in the ring.
I think this has been his best fight camp to date.
He's coming in here with a point to prove.
He's looking very game.
Both fighters, 1 win, 4 defeats. A record that doesn't need justice. An even bout on paper, an even eye. Both fighters look ready. No nerves on these two.
And his opponent, Mitch.
Home crowd really here with Mitchell today. What should be an entertaining bout. Watch out for the leg kicks from Smith too. A fluent tool that he uses it throughout his fights. See how that can pay off for him tonight.
He loves chopping them legs.
Oh, he does.
Oh,
front kick there from the Fowler. From straight out.
Oh, brilliant shot from Mitch now. Oh, slip from Mitch.
Slip from Mitchell. Nice leg kick there. Making that fight early doors. Returned with some leg kicks from the Fowler. Mitchell getting stuck back in now. Went back into a corner.
Slip from Mitch.
Another slip from Mitchell.
Lovely backhand from Mitch there.
Nice again. One to the body, one to the leg. Nice. Finding a home for that cross too. Front kick from Smith. Nice leg kick from the Fowler. Both fighters landing flush early doors. Spinning kick from Mitch. Nice.
Oh, lovely head kick from Mitch.
Tries to smile it off. You can hear the word jab being screamed from the camp of the Fowler. Something he does need to start finding a way with. Nice from Mitchell. And again. Mitchell starting to find his rhythm now. And again.
10 seconds.
Nice leg kick there. The trademark Smith leg kick.
I'm going to give that round to Mitch.
Me too. Them leg kicks really starting to slow down with Fowler. Hopefully more of the same in the next round. Both fighters looking sharp. The Fowler looks calm in the corner. He's had a hard fight camp, and there's not much that can faze him. That being said, the same for both fighters.
Mitch is looking very sharp though.
See how the coach has tweaked the tactics now for ahead of this next round. And it's about 2 rounds remaining, 2 minutes each. A lot can happen. All we know is that where these two fighters are, entertainment will follow.
Mitch coming out looking game.
Nice from
Mitchell. Lovely shot from Mitch.
Out of the corner. Nice leg kick there, threw him off balance. Karen returns with 1-2. Nice head kick.
Lovely shots from Mitch again.
Did a good job of getting in and getting out. Nice again. Quick shot to the place where no one wants to get hit. Fowler wanting to make him pay for that little break.
Lovely 1-2 from Mitch.
Mitchell fighting his way back out now. Nice shot from Mitchell. Clean leg kick lands. Nice shot from Mitchell. Followed up with a leg kick. And again another kick and a cross. Mitchell really finding a home for these shots now. Really working him. A nice lunge there from Fowler with the knee. Nice knee from Smith. Really mixing up these shots now. Nice.
Lovely counter from Mitch.
Nice. Good composure from Mitchell. Again. And the Fowler seems to be slowing down slightly from the first round. Not sure if it's those leg kicks taking a toll. Time will tell. Really positive round from Mitchell. Supersonic towel is back in action. You can find action like this on a regular basis on Leapfrog Fight TV, all the JackHammer promotions and much, much more. $9.99 a month. That gets you everything, worldwide action. And we are in with a third round of Bout. Cameron doing a good job of finding shots straight as the round starts. Mitchell replying though.
Fowler turning the heat up.
Definitely. A lot quicker approach than the previous round.
Nice shot from Mitch though.
Mitchell needs to find a way out of the corner and he does so. Nice exchange there. Mitchell again picking up another shot. Really been working that cross. Coach screaming he wants to see Hart. Both fighters taking much more time. Nice head kick from Smith. Both fighters taking the time picking shots. No, lovely shot. As the round gets on, Mitchell really starts to take his shape in the round. Nice. Good block there from Mitchell. Needs to find a way out of that corner though.
Nice shot. 10 seconds.
So 10 seconds remain in this bout. Mitchell ended with a nice exchange. Good fight.
Good
two
scrap
good
that
fighters.
was. I think that'll be a split.
I think it was a split. The Fowler definitely looked the better in the final round. Yeah, Mitchell the earlier. Again, another very well evenly matched bout between two great fighters. Both fighters seem to look not too happy. I would argue they both fought well. Well, let's see what the judges have for us on this one. Fowler makes his way over to the corner. Down to the judge's decision. Split decision.
Oh, well deserved.
The shock on his face, not quite sure why.
Maybe that needs to have a rematch.
Definitely. I'd like to see them both go at it again. It's a good fight. Sure about the shock on Mitchell's face, to be honest.
Mate, you did good.
I thought evidently in the first 2 rounds he looked a better fighter.
You know when you're in there, mate, you don't think you